The $2.6 million 2026 Prevost Liberty Motorhome is a masterpiece that radically transforms opulent travel. Built on the popular Prevost H3-45 chassis, it boasts a powerful Volvo D13 engine with 500 horsepower and a smooth, effortless ride. It also features a clean, aerodynamic look. This bus effortlessly blends excellent engineering and design ideas to do more than simply get you from one place to another, bringing 5-star living to the open road. With its distinctive, striking paint job and panoramic windows, it's a style statement and evidence that your journey can be just as spectacular as your destination. Upon entering, the cockpit seems less like a driver's seat and more like a command center. The dashboard is a marvel in modern beauty, with a massive Crestron C3 CPU and Liberty Coach's enhanced Crosspoint controls. This technology gives the driver complete control over the coach's advanced entertainment and heating systems, navigation, and high-definition backup camera. The whole overhauled layout is straightforward and user-friendly, with a floating gateway and illuminated steps that provide a touch of futuristic elegance. The main living area exudes luxury and exquisite craftsmanship. The 3 S-Slide variants of this coach add up to a spacious, open-floor layout that is comparable to many high-end homes. The decor, which is a distinctive blend of colors and textures, frequently includes handcrafted cabinetry and premium leather seating. The integrated smart home system makes it simple to control your lights, blinds, and entertainment with button clicks or voice commands. While traveling, this spacious apartment with opulent furnishings is perfect for entertaining, relaxing, and enjoying life's small joys. You have your mobile sanctuary ready for you. The luxurious Master Suite's main point is a comfortable king-sized bed. The custom cabinets that round the walls will provide ample storage for your clothes and personal belongings. Integrated smart controls let you to manage the lights, sound system, and blinds from the comfort of your bed. The room appears spacious, calm, and peaceful, making it the perfect place to unwind and recharge for the remainder of your trip. In certain floor designs, a bath-and-a-half arrangement is also offered, providing guests with a half bath closer to the main living area. The bathroom is a spa-inspired sanctuary. It has heated marble floors, a large glass-enclosed shower with a rainfall showerhead, and stunning high-end fixtures. The toilet is made of porcelain, and the countertops add to the kitchen's luxurious feel. Because of the bathroom's ample storage and meticulous attention to detail, which are designed to provide the highest level of comfort and convenience, you will feel as though you are in a 5-star hotel even though you are far from civilization. This is not your typical RV kitchenette. It's a gourmet kitchen suited for a professional chef. It has a full-size, residential-grade refrigerator and freezer, an induction cooktop, and a convection microwave oven. The gorgeous quartz structure of the countertops provides an elegant and durable surface for food preparation. Because the entire area is smoothly integrated into the main living room and has adequate closet and drawer space for all of your products and equipment, anybody can join in on the conversation while cooking.